That's driving me crazy. I just finished a microneedling with PDRN. I have a small break because I had a cancellation, so I am going to do some charting. Okay, but it comes first, so
That is true.
we never know. Getting 110 units of Dysport.
Perfect.
Recording and I'm standing all the way over here. I'm stupid.
Little sculpture.
One more Dysport.